how to find who can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and now click the three lines at the top corner, and after click on it, click settings and privacy, and here you will see privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find comments. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this one, who can comment on your videos and stories, and here you can manage it. You can make it for everyone or no one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.